Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see CBSE Grade 12 Maths Exercise 5.3, question 1 to 6. Look at the question. Question number 1. 2x plus 3y equal to sin x. Find dy by dx. Okay. X if we differentiate 1. So 2x is 2. 3 dy by dx equal to sin x if you differentiate cos x. Okay. Now we want only dy by dx. Dy by dx, make it as a subject, cos x minus 2. Then the next step, dy by dx is equal to cos x minus 2 by 3. Got it? Here, one mistake people will generally commit, they will start with the letter y equal to. Here, there is no need to put y because already y is inside. Okay, 2x plus 3y equal to sin x. Copy down. Y if we differentiate 3 times dy by dx. Y if we differentiate dy by dx. Okay, question number 2. 2 same sum, but 3 dy by dx. Sin y if we differentiate cos y. Then in previous sum sin x if we differentiate cos x. But here sin y is cos y dy by dx. Here we stopped because it is differentiation with respect to x. X if we differentiate 1 only, cos x, here 1 only we have to put, so we are not put, now it is not required, it is dx by dx, it is 1 only. But here dy by dx, same 3 dy by dx. Here another one is bring dy by dx in one side. This we bring it left hand side is equal to minus 2. So dy by dx is take out 3 minus cos y equal to minus 2. Dy by dx times 3 minus cos y equal to minus 2. So dy by dx is equal to minus 2 divided by 3 minus cos y. Both sides, always try to prefer numerator should not contain minus. If there is possible, you interchange it. 2 cos y minus 3. Okay, here I put minus, numerator and denominator I put minus, so numerator doesn't have the minus sign. Copy down. Question number 3. Ax plus by squared equal to cos y. Differentiate ax, differentiate a, by squared, differentiate b, y squared if we differentiate 2y, then dy by dx. Always remember, then dy by y if we differentiate dy by dx, cos y minus sin y, then dy by dx. Okay, then take dy by dx is in one side, 2by dy by dx plus sin y dy by dx is equal to minus a. Take dy by dx out, 2by plus sin y dy by dx equal to minus a, dy by dx is equal to minus a over 2by plus sin y. Here numerator is having minus sign, let it be, because denominator even if you interchange, that minus sign will be there. Okay. In previous sum, we had 3 minus cos y. Here also we multiplied with minus, and numerator also we multiplied with minus, so numerator sign has gone. Now here not possible. Okay. Okay, go to the question number 4. xy plus y squared equal to tan x plus y. Most of the people will commit the mistake. xy they will differentiate y dy by dx. X is 1, y is dy by dx. Wrong. xy you have to do like product rule. X dy by dx, y I am differentiating dy by dx plus y, x if you differentiate 1, so no need to put. Y squared is 2y dy by dx. What is tan x differentiation? Tan x differentiation is secant squared x. Here plus. Outside construction work is going on, so this sound is there. I cannot avoid. Okay, 2y dy by dx is equal to tan x is secant squared x, y is dy by dx. Take this one, 1, 2 and 3. 3 dy by dx, take out dy by dx. Here x will come, here 2y will come. There it is coming here, so minus 1 equal to secant squared x minus y. Dy by dx is equal to secant squared x minus y divided by x plus 2y minus 1. Copy down. Okay. Question 5. X squared plus xy plus y squared equal to 100. X squared if you differentiate 2x. xy is what is called UV method. X, y if you differentiate dy by dx plus y, x if you differentiate 1 plus y squared if you differentiate 2y dy by dx equal to 0. So dy by dx take out, dy by dx is equal to, take out x, this side is x, plus 2y equal to minus y minus 2x okay. Copy down until now. So dy by dx is equal to minus 2x minus y. Better always write alphabetical order if it is possible. Then x plus 2y. Okay. I take minus out. Question 6. X cube plus x squared y plus xy squared plus y cube. Okay, differentiate equal to 81. X cube is 3x squared plus x squared y, x squared dy by dx plus y. I am differentiating this one. X squared dy by dx plus y, x squared if you differentiate 2x. This part is over. You understand? Here x squared is u. Y if you differentiate dy by dx plus y. X squared if you differentiate 2x. Then we will come to xy squared. Xy squared, what is u? U is x. What is y squared if you differentiate 2y dy by dx? Plus, don't start from here, plus y squared, x if you differentiate 1. Then plus y cube if you differentiate 3y squared dy by dx is equal to 0. Take dy by dx out. X squared plus 2xy plus 3y squared (3x squared) minus 2xy y squared if it goes out minus 3x squared minus 2xy minus y squared. Okay, then the final answer dy by dx is equal to minus, I take out 3x squared plus 2xy plus y squared divided by x squared plus 2xy plus 3y squared. Y squared. Okay, copy down. Thank you for watching. We have seen 6 questions. 2x plus 3y equal to sin x. Sin x if you differentiate cos x. Here sin y means cos y dy by dx. Y if you differentiate dy by dx, you have to put question number 3. Same pattern. Question number 4, xy comes. Xy means if you differentiate, you use the product rule. Then tan x came, secant squared x if you differentiate. Then that's all. Okay, here in question number 6, there are 2 product rules. Thank you for watching my videos.